Arctic Duke's Nose, also known as Kaiaraara Rock. A place where nature's beauty and local legends intertwine. Join me along with my hiking buddy Kendall as we explore this breathtaking landscape. Come and delve into its rich history and share our experience along the way.
Just arrived here at Toppo Bay. It is stunning, and we're going to use this as our base for the night before we head off to Duke's Nose tomorrow morning. We just arrived at Toppo Bay campground, the only campground here in Toppo Bay, and looks like we're the only ones other than some people over there. It'll be easy to set up our little tent now. About 5 minutes and we're done. And as you can see in the distance over there, that's where we're headed tomorrow, for Duke's Nose. What an amazing evening. I'm hoping that we're going to be able to see some stars tonight. Nice and clear night.
So we're in our tent and it's pretty cozy. So I'll see you tomorrow.
Bit of a fresh and chilly start to the morning, so you can see why. Look at that sunrise. So we have just woken up, freshened up, had a shower. We'll quickly pack up our tent, make a coffee, and then head up before any weather comes in, because it's due here about 1 o'clock.
After enjoying our coffee and breakfast, we pack up our gear, feeling ready to embark on our hike. On the road again. Just can't wait to get back on the road again. Eager for what lies ahead. With our backpacks secured and spirits high, we set off on the trail that leads us to Duke's Nose. Stretching about 5 kilometers, this hike promises a blend of coastal forest and striking views.
Every track is quite different. It's quite hard to describe why, because you think New Zealand bush being New Zealand bush, all of the trees will be the same, but I can confirm that there's slight variations in all of them, whether it's the way the track is formed, whether it's the trees that you're seeing, different low shrubs, slightly different birds that you hear. They're all very unique.
The trail is surrounded by twisted pahutakawa trees that seem to grow right out of the rocks. We admire their resilience and unconventional beauty. Some of these ancient trees have witnessed centuries of change. As we hike, we come across Wairakau Stream. It invites us with its clear, cool waters. We carefully navigate the rocks, mindful of our footing as we make our way across. The second crossing of Wairakau Stream is a little bit wider, but the water is shallow, allowing us to walk across with ease. The sounds of native birds like tui, kiriru and piwakawaka fill the air as we continue our journey, grounding us in the moment. The fresh scent of ocean surrounds us as the high tide envelops the mangrove trees. The water lies still, like a mirror, reflecting the scene as a gentle breeze adds to the sensory experience. Inviting contemplation. Duke's Nose is more than just a landmark. It is a part of Ngāti marine territory, reminding us of the enduring connection between the people and the land. Being here offers an opportunity to appreciate the intertwining of nature and culture, enriching our journey. According to the local legends, the rock represents the face of a chief turned to stone, eternally watching over his people. We approach Lancco Hut. Lancco Hut, what a view. What a view. Tucked away in a sheltered arm of Peka Bay. A refuge for hikers. The landscape unfolds around us, offering glimpses of the breathtaking view that awaits. As we approach the summit, the trail grows steeper and more rugged. Each step feels purposeful, and we sense the anticipation building. The rocky paths stand as a testament to the land's volcanic past, shaped by natural forces over millennia. The final ascent involves climbing a steep and nearly vertical rock face. We encourage each other as our anticipation spikes. Fueled by the excitement of what lies at the top. Hard to capture on camera how steep this is. She's quite steep. Finally, we reach the summit of Duke's Nose.
What a view.
The view is breathtaking. The vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean sprawls before us. Blending seamlessly with the horizon. It's a still moment, offering a chance to absorb the beauty surrounding us. Standing on top of Duke's Nose feels like being on top of the world. And a reminder of why we love the great outdoors.